Hello friends, hope you all are doing good and safe. From this video, we can try to understand what is NASDAQ stock market. The NASDAQ stock market is an American stock exchange based in New York City. It is ranked second on the list of stock exchanges by market capitalization of shares traded. The exchange platform is owned by NASDAQ Incorporation, which also owns the NASDAQ Nordic Stock Market Network and several US based stock and options exchanges. These exchanges, 7 are in Europe region and 3 are in USA. In Europe region, they are NASDAQ Copenhagen, NASDAQ Helsinki, NASDAQ Iceland, NASDAQ Riga, NASDAQ Stockholm, NASDAQ Tallinn, and NASDAQ Vilnius. In America, they are NASDAQ Stock Exchanges, Boston Stock Exchanges, and Philadelphia Stock Exchanges. NASDAQ was founded in 1971 by the National Association of Securities Dealers. On February 8, 1971, the NASDAQ stock market began operations as the world's first electronic stock market. It currently has a greater trading volume than any other US stock exchanges, carrying out approximately 1.8 billion trades per day. NASDAQ market capitalization is $20 trillion. It is second largest stock exchanges by market capitalization. NASDAQ has 3,300 companies which are currently listed. In NASDAQ, more of technology and IT related companies are listed. The world's famous technology companies are listed in NASDAQ stock exchanges. They are Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, that is Google, Tesla, Facebook, Nvidia, PayPal, Netflix, Intel, Adobe, and Zoom. NASDAQ doesn't have a trading floor. Now, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you all.